This is what me and my dad have been working on for the past 2 days now. Hasn't been fun, as you can tell. The area isn't one load of a mess. Look at all that mud we've been digging up. The cable has to go underground, has the corner off there, and go all the way into the music room under there. And about that direction where that metal pipe is. And it's taken us like 2 days to tunnel under that massive concrete slab that's here. We were originally going to pry it up. It appears that it's probably stuck to the house, or it's too heavy. We just could not get it up. So we're left with the choice of tunneling underneath. We had to smash a hole through here and dig up all of that mud. Look at that. It's very deep. Oh, man. We were using this little trowel here, and it's just too difficult to get it down there, so look at what my dad was doing. Look at those gloves, they're literally covered solid in mud. It's like he dipped them into a whole tub of mud. I'll tell you, my dad definitely had fun with that. He definitely didn't. Yeah. Definitely had fun using the crowbar and the hammer to smash through all of that. We even tried to stick the jar in there to fill it with mud and bringing it up, but didn't work. It was too narrow in there. And of course it's raining. I actually have a toolbox covering my phone so it doesn't get wet. Yeah, like that. Don't want to get my phone wet, so I thought I'd use the toolbox. Well, something to cover it at least. But yeah, this has been a fun project so far.